morning, Coach.
Good morning. Make sure all the lives are up and running. Check, 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 check.
YouTube's up.
Thank you.
Just make sure you check the camera, see if his camera's there. Thanks.
Yeah, it's there.
Yep, camera's there. Audio's there.
Yay! It's a Christmas miracle. There we go. Nice. All right. What about TikTok? Is that up?
They're making WAP go live. Live on the WAP.
Okay, thank you.
On the WAP.
Okay, thank you. Yep, I see we're live on TikTok. Nice. Good morning, good morning. What is going on with the YouTubes, though? Is everybody over there? My count is not right. Why is this count off? Everybody do me a favor, if you're over there watching on the YouTube, click that thumbs up. My count is
your camera is ginormous. They could literally look down your nostrils if you want that. I mean, you can go with that.
Yeah, I did that on purpose.
All right.
Yeah. I've been watching other streamers. They're making themselves larger than the chart. So people must be more interested in the person than they are the actual information. So we're going to test it for a little bit.
Got it.
Yeah. I'm experimenting with stuff.
Any way to shift the camera?
Face.
Any way to shift the camera a little bit to the left?
A
A bit more on center so you can get your... There you go.
There, it should follow me. It should follow me around. All right.
Yeah, you're a little bit to the right in the circle.
Yeah, it'll follow me now. It should.
Yeah.
I hope. We'll see. Is it following me in the maybe? I don't know. We'll try it out. Should be all right. All right, it's now 9:08. Good morning, everybody. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David Mark, Palm Coast, Richard Doug, Bucko Chris, Eminem, Ralph James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my military family and all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank beep beep. Meow. Thank you. Yeah, I see what it is. It looks like my Zoom camera's following me. But yeah, it looks like my Zoom camera's following, but not the YouTube camera. So I'll have to play with that later. All right. Anyways, another exciting day here at American Dream Trading. If you want to sign up or join us at any time, of course, go to our website, American Dream Trading, get signed up. Right now, do the things. Free 7-day trial on our premium futures and crypto membership. Free 7-day trial. After 7 days, they will renew at their regular rates. If you guys want to get signed up, that would be great. Appreciate you all being here. If this is your first time, my name is Chad, a.k.a. The Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33 years. This is American Dream Trading. We are one of the largest and fastest stock market education communities and companies in the country, if not the world. So I appreciate you all being here. Right now, currently we have over 300 active members that are watching us on the things. So I appreciate all of you being here. We have over 24,000 members, closing on 25,000 members at American Dream Trading. Of course, not all of them are active, but that's how many members we do have. None of those are bot accounts. We do not allow bot accounts in our system. Speaking of that, remember, we will never send any friend requests. We do not have a Telegram or a WhatsApp. We will never ask to trade for you. We will never send you any direct messages. If you need any help, we do have a full help desk service with over 20 moderators standing by to assist you. Also, we're the only ones that I'm aware of in the industry that if you have any questions about any of our memberships, open up the ticket. We will have a live call with you. A live call with you to answer any and all of your questions about American Dream Trading and our memberships. So whether you're free or if you're already an existing member and you have questions, open up a ticket. We'll get with you today. We do that every single day here, right? We are all about service here at American Dream Trading. So again, appreciate you all being here. Yesterday, we had, of course, a celebration for David, who just hit $1 million in profits. So congratulations to David. He still has some dates available if you guys want to get a one-on-one with him, or if you want to get signed up for his mentorship class where you can work with him one-on-one for a year. I also have one of those slots available. If you want to work with me for a full year, you can do that. You can buy that in a 20-hour package, which basically is twice a month, or you can buy my 50-hour package, which is basically one hour a week. So if you're interested in those, open up a help desk ticket and we'll get started with you right away. And I think I have some one-on-ones available if you're just interested in working with me for an hour. Also open up a ticket. Again, otherwise go to our website. All the things are there. American Dream Trading, our ADT Academy, is about to be launched. We're working on that diligently. We're going to have some meetings on that coming up, so moderators be aware of that. Those will be coming.
Yep.
We're going to launch that fast and furious. Those of you that have a Diamond lifetime membership, I'm also going to make this available to you with just a small admin fee. This is a completely separate entity, though, just so you know. This is ADT Academy. You guys will be able to go to our website, adtacademy.com, and get signed up, do all the things. Now, this one obviously is going to be different. This is going to be more of a program that you guys will be able to be involved in. Right? There's going to be quizzes, videos, certificates, right? All sorts of cool stuff you guys will be able to get inside of that training course. And then you'll come over here to get the live, right, training. So that's going to be more of a course and a program. And then this is always going to be live training and education. But I think they're going to be great hand in hand to work with all of you. So we're very excited to launch that. The journal, moderators are going to let me know at the end of today if we're ready to release the journal or not. I'll give it the final stamp of approval, and we will be releasing the electronic journal. So look for that. I tell you every day, right? It's part of our rules to make sure to journal. So this will be a perfect opportunity for you to be able to get your hands on our journal to see exactly what you should be journaling. So hopefully you're excited about that. Real quick, as always, I'm going to do this with you live. Every day, take your top 3 to 5 stocks that you love to look at. We're going to mark pre-market high, low, previous day high, low. We're going to use those throughout the day so you guys will have some key critical areas. Now, if you're a paid member, premium and above, you also get our pre-market strategies, our pre-market ideas, where we go through major key levels that you'll use right at the bell and throughout the day. But this is how I want you to all start with the basics. So let's do this now. So in SPY, we're going to mark our pre-market high, done. Pre-market low, done. Previous day high, done. Previous day low, done. That's it. Should be that fast for you. Now, There are some shortcut keys you can use, which I usually will use, like Control H. You can make them anything you want, which means horizontal line. I am using this mouse, this Logitech G502X, as you can see. And then I just set up these quick buttons through the Logitech software. And that allows a macro, meaning when I push one of these buttons, to automatically trigger the key commands that I would typically use off my keyboard. And that's how I'm able to draw those lines so fast, right? Otherwise, you have to right click, go to drawings, go to horizontal line, right? So this is how I'm able to speed this up. Remember, it's all about speed, baby, right? Time is money. So let's go ahead and wipe the board here. We're going to do the same thing. Let's do it together here for Apple. So we're going to do pre-market high, done. Pre-market low, done. Previous day high, done. Previous day low, done. There you go. There's some major key areas. Let's do one more. Soxal. Remember, we've been talking about Soxal. Told you to scoop it up. It was about $6.80, so around $7. It's now close to $50 again. So congratulations to any of you that listened. So here we go. Now remember, pre-market starts at 4, okay? If you're looking at this whole gray area, this is post-market, meaning after yesterday the bell rang, closed at 4. Then it ran through, and then the new pre-market. So we're talking about the new pre-market for today, high and low. So if you look at this, 4 o'clock starts right there, okay? So pre-market high is going to be here. Technically it's here, but it's so close. Pre-market low is where it's almost at right now. Previous day high, which you can see right here, had a double top pullback in the post-market right after hours, and previous day low. You see how this works? Now, obviously, after that, we're going to look at some major key levels. I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well since we're in here, okay? So if we're looking at all the traffic for SPY in the pre-market, this is a major level.
Recording in progress.
Thank you. This is a major level right here. This is a major level. And there you go. There's all your key major levels. If you're a paid member, I'm going to get my marker out. You'll be able to see it. Those of you that are watching for live, you will not be able to see when I annotate on the whiteboard. But if you want to have that, come on over. It's free. So right here, paid members, you can see exactly where I'm marking and why I am marking these key critical areas of why I used these. Okay? Now you know. Right? This is why I'm using all of these areas.
Looking like a gold line to me.
Yeah, just remember a gold line is multiple, right? So if you look at it, whatever one has a ton of information, right? So this one and this one, right? So the more times it touches, okay? So if it touches that area a lot, that would be considered a gold level. If it just touches it a couple times, not so much, right? So in order of strength that we give these, okay, I always like to use that pre-market high, low, and previous day high, low so that I can look for those setups for double tops, double bottoms. Of course, as you all know, 10 minutes to the bell, the most important and critical indicator on the board is VWAP. If you had to take away all my indicators, coach, you were never allowed to use an indicator again, I would have VWAP and you can throw the rest in the trash. Okay, VWAP is the most powerful, the second most powerful on the board. Always and forever for professional stock market traders is the 200 MA. Nothing else. Not the 150, not the 90, not the 100. Professionals use the 200 moving average, hence why we use it, because I've been doing this for 33 years, over 3 decades. It is the second most powerful indicator on the board. Now, if you like to scalp like we do, we like to use our EMAs, not MAs, our EMAs, a little bit faster moving exponential moving averages. So we use the 9, the 21, and sometimes the 15. But I never scalp off the 15. I just use it as a reference point. And more importantly, it's used with my 2-minute EWO strategy that I have designed and developed, watching for the 21 to cross over the 55. Okay. That tells me that is the momentum of direction that it is moving. I don't give a crap if the 9 crosses the 21. That's too tight. I care more about the 21 and 55. Why? Because it takes more for those two to cross. Okay. We're looking for momentums. We are momentum traders. This is why we don't care if the market goes up. We don't care if the market goes down, right? That's why we are the best in the industry, is all of these little things that we use. If you're a scalper and you look to SPY right now, you can see that it is holding. This blue line, by the way, is the 21. You can see that the 21, not the 9, is being used as the backbone of the trade. Does everybody see it on my screen?
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach.
Thank you. Notice it's breaking through the 9. It is not holding on the 9. Okay? Therefore, I don't care about the 9 anymore. It's trash. It's dead to me. So if I was scalping this, the 21 is the backbone of my trade until it shows me otherwise. Like right here, you can see it's clearly trying to break this 21. Okay? Now, if you are a paid member, you will also be looking at, if you have VIP, VIP Gold, Diamond, etc., you have our TradingView indicators. On our TradingView indicators, if you pull those up right now, you can
Coach,
see...
I gotta know, what are you doing with your hands?
Nothing.
It's safe, frozen.
It looks
Listen,
like it's moving on Zoom.
It's frozen. It's frozen.
oh, it's frozen on Zoom. Okay, thank you.
Okay. I thought that was something for the video or something.
Oh,
'Cause
no.
I'm like,
Yeah, the camera died. Hold on. It keeps doing
Okay.
that. Yeah,
It
hold
looks
on.
like you were
them gang
fighting.
signs.
That,
yeah, I'm like, he's giving
that was
signals or
me
something.
doing my 2155 crossover. All right.
Yeah. Get all puppets.
All right, there it goes. All right, camera should be coming back. Hold on. And all right, should be back. Thank you. There it goes. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Thank you. So again, if you guys have our TradingView indicators, you will see, look at them right now. Right there is the regression channel. See it? This is the bottom of the channel that it is showing us. So you can clearly see that when it gets to that, it is bouncing in the channel. Does everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. If you don't, why don't you have a membership yet? Go run yourself into a wall. Okay, great. Go ahead, run yourself into a wall. We'll wait. Okay, that's nice.
I'm editing that out.
Very nice.
Meanie.
Yeah, very nice. Everybody do me a favor right now. If you're watching on YouTube, click that share button. Do it. Do it now. Click that share button. Do the same thing. If you're watching on the TikToks, boom, click share. We have a really low count on YouTube right now. I know I was gone for a week, so everybody's like, he's gone. He abandoned us. That community made hundreds of millions of dollars and now they're gone. Stop. Click the button. That'd be great. Everybody that's inside of the 300 people that are in my Zoom right now, you're going to go to x.com and you're going to type in, go join the coach. Tag me at ADT Coach. That'd be great. Thank you. Appreciate you. We're going to do a better job of that the entire time we are live, making sure everybody knows where to find us so you don't get scammed, flammed, and all that bull crap. All right? Okay, great. All right, we got about 3 minutes, 40 seconds, give or take, to the bell. Nobody go rogue today. Make sure you follow all the rules. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 30 days off. You're obviously not ready to trade. If you're new to trading or while in training, you will only use a paper account. There will be no real money at all ever being used. Make sure you start with stocks, not options, futures, or crypto when you first start. Start with stocks. Pick 1 to 3 of your favorite stocks and start to watch how they move. Go in with small position sizes. This will allow the runners to run and stop out the loser. Speaking of stops, make sure you have a stop on each and every trade, regardless of stocks, options, futures, or crypto. And of course, always make sure you are journaling every single day. If you cannot follow these rules, you cannot trade. You are not ready. This is too hard for you. Go run yourself into a wall. You are apparently not able to follow orders at all. So you're done. You're already done before it began. Too bad. So sad. Don't know what to tell you, right? All right. We have got now about 2 minutes to the bell. We're going to have another amazing day here at American Dream Trading. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. We do have those super chats available. You want to get a shout out. You want to show support for us being live 3 times a day, helping you financially, emotionally, spiritually. Here's a little Jesus. Get a little Jesus in your life. Here you go. There you go. Get a little Jesus right there. There you go. He's riding shotgun over here in the mic stand.
Nice.
So we are live 3 times a day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11. Mark's here every day from 2 to 4. And Dawn, the hostess with the mostest, is live every day from 4 to 6 or until she sneaks out of the building. Okay? So we're here 3 times a day for your viewing pleasure. If you are a paid member, if you're a premium member, you get training every single day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. Yes, we have the most training out of any company in the world. If you're VIP or higher, you get training every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., 1 minute to the bell. Okay? So it really just depends on what you have. But listen, depending on which program that you, which service you subscribe to, we have something for everybody. You work every day? Fine. We have Saturday training. Right? You want extra support? Fine. We got gold breakout rooms. Oh, you have larger accounts and you want to do something different? Fine. We have mentorship classes. Right? Workshop classes in the after hours. We have everything. And our pricing is structured so that there is no excuse. We start with free. We have tons of free education. 20 seconds to the bell. Tons of free education. Come on over. It's free. American Dream Trading. You can see it scrolling on the bottom. Where do I go? Gee, I don't know. It says right here. It's the biggest font you could ever see. Go to American. It's right here. Okay? I cannot help you any more than that. All right, here we go. Let's rock and roll. Make sure your call outs are clear and concise. Get in, get out. Don't hang out on the mic. Uh-oh, spies, or Weeble's jacked up. It would help if I did it right. There we go. All right. I, of course, will be trading with a live account like I always do every single day in front of your face. All right, SPY right here. 683.73 is a key area for SPY. That's also around VWAP and the 200. Just keep an eye on that. Getting a little bit of a bounce right here, right on VWAP. So we are sitting in a major area right here. Still bouncing around a bit. SPY is fighting between green and red. So previous day closed 40 cents. It's within 40 cents of previous day closed. Still getting a nice pullback here. Took a little bit of money on that one. You can see it bounced. Still watching. Still fighting this exact same level within 40 cents, right? Let me know if you guys see anything. Sorry, working on something on the sidelines. Had meetings all morning. Let me know if you guys see any hot stock picks. I see we were in a 2-minute EWO green, first green indicator for Apple. 2-minute EWO, first indicator for Apple. Still bouncing around. SPY 682.80. You guys seeing anything out there? Why is it so quiet?
Market not making a decision.
IWM second green EVO.
Thank you. SPY making that move back up to that 200 at 683.70 again. This one was too tight. I should not have taken this trade. This one was too tight. I did that yesterday. I'm going to have to watch that crap. Mind is not fully in it. Keep making stupid mistakes. Apple, second 2-minute EWO to the upside. Apple, second 2-minute EWO to the upside. You guys are in a 6-star trade, but it needs to stay above 279. Does everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. SPY still fighting up here at the 683.73. 683.73 area that I have marked. Don't forget, those of you that are trading futures, if you go to Tradeify, you can use our discount code. It's right up there on the top. Use code ADT for the best deals on all your resets. And I talked to Tradeify yesterday. We're going to run something cool with that. That's why we had that special class. Who tuned into that live class that we had last night for all futures prop firms?
I did.
Thank you. So we're going to run something cool for that coming up. We're working on it now. We got approval to run it. So we're going to look at doing some giveaways and some fun stuff coming out of that Tradeify. Look for that soon. All right, SPY up on the 683.73. Notice now we're fighting from red to green, right? That's previous day close. Why is this so quiet in here? You guys, I was gone for a week and you guys fell asleep, didn't you? Holy
Wait,
shit.
Coach.
Holy shit. Wake up.
Super focused.
Oh my gosh. Gonna be that freaking focused. Click the buttons, put the stop, do the things, move on. I do not like the silence. I don't know where the hell that came from. Silence.
Coach,
It's all
I
good,
did
coach.
puts at
It's
the
all good.
200.
Thank you. Yep, there's the 200.
Where's Nana?
I don't know, but holy shit. Couldn't have been that freaking boring while I was gone. Come on now.
It's buying 2-minute EWO now.
Is it? You tell me. I don't have the 2-minute up. Tell me right now. Is it or not?
Yes.
Thank you.
It is, sir.
Is it on the first 2-minute EWO?
Second.
Second. Okay, there we go. Now we got to call out. Now we're cooking with gas. Am I right?
Hot stock pick. It's EPL. Do high day.
Thank you. Now we're communicating. Now we're being active and
Nana.
involved. Come on.
Nana's missing.
You telling me Nana was the only one active in here? Everybody's fired.
Apple, new high of day, coach.
No.
Thank you. Apple still
Well, we couldn't get a
six-star.
word in with Mark, Coach.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that I
He
can
heard me.
see. Holy crap.
Yeah, one breath mark.
Yeah, one breath mark.
Coach,
Love it. Tell me.
when you were explaining earlier about the 2-minute EWO, my understanding, I was thinking it was the crossing of 9 and 21, not the 21 and 55. You were seeing Apple, you said a 6-star trade. Can you explain a little bit more while you see the chart?
Yes, but now's not the time for
But later,
training.
later.
Yeah.
Later.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Intel second EWO candle to the downside.
All right, thank you. SPY
Apple, new
683.
high of day.
Yes, that's a 6-star trade over there, right? 2-minute EWO riders called out at the open. Yes.
Yes, riding that pony.
Thank you.
And
Ride
CPL.
that. Ride that donkey.
And CPL hot stock pick. Hold it to the upside, up 112%.
Nice. I like it. Beautiful run here now on SPY, breaking through from green to red, or from red to green, looking good. It's very nice. Now I'm going to be watching right here to see if this is going to pull back on my screen. I could collect up here and be done with that trade, take my $400 and go, but we're going to see if it's got some more. See if it's got a little more oomph to it, right?
Haven't heard that in a while.
Yeah, buddy. Yep, it's still trying. Come on, get up there. There you go. That's a good candle, but you got to push. Come on. Nice. That's what I wanted to see. There we go. There's a $500 trade right there. Looking good. Much better. Movement stopped just below and stopped out. I'll take it. That's better.
SPY is at the 200 on the 2-minute chart.
Is it? Okay, thank you. But 2-minute EWO, you guys are still cranking to the moon, right? Okay, great. That's nice.
That is correct. Just being
Good.
cautious.
Good job. Good job. Let me pull it up on the 2-minute. Hold on. Oh, yeah. There's not even been a pullback. Oh, there it is. Good call on that, Richard. Now you got to pull back. Now you shave some, right? It was not set to shed, and then right there it did. Good job. Yeah, it was the same, the 200 over here on mine that I'm trading as well, but I'm trading NASDAQ. Gosh, if there was only one place you guys could learn how to do all of this, right? On the daily. If there was only one place, right?
OnlyFans.
Yeah, OF.
It is not. It's American Dream Trading.
Yes.
Yay!
Yay! All right, SPY now fighting between the same thing. Now this time it was fighting. Now it's fighting green, red, or green to red. I like the spot though. I'm gonna long it here. Not financial tax or investment advice, because I'm using right VWAP, the 21 and the 9 as support. See it? If it fails, then I got a tight stop. But you had run up, support sitting underneath it, right? Okay, great. Come on, get up there. Yeah, there's 100. Come on, keep going. Let's see a nice little volume pop. 160, keep going. Half the candle. 170, I'll take it for 100. You guys see that nice little setup though? That bounce off of VWAP. Support underneath, yes?
Yep.
Thank you.
That was perfect.
Yep.
I did it too, thanks.
Yep. Nice little trade.
Blake, what's going on?
Hey, just sitting there making very few trades, making money.
Making that money.
Good job.
Being patient.
Good job. Did you guys miss me?
I did.
We
Lies.
did.
We all did.
Mrs.
Lies. You sit on a game or on a game. You sit on a throne of lies. Let's think of Game of Thrones.
Hell yes, we missed you.
Appreciate you. Checks in the mail.
That was a weird movie, Coach. Why'd you make me watch that?
Which one?
From Dusk Till Dawn.
Oh, you liked it and you know it.
Awesome movie.
You liked it and you know it.
Yeah, the snake dance was awesome.
You like how it turned into like a completely separate movie?
I'm like, what? They're vamps?
Right. Right here, the 200 and the 9 right here. Look at this pattern. Hold on. You guys see this little wedge?
44. Yep.
Still nice off of VWAPs. Anybody still in it off of VWAP? And now you can use the 200 and the 9 as support, so move it up, right?
I got out.
Apple dancing on VWAP here. You guys had a 6-star trade, made moves all the way up.
Coach, I know that we're supposed to, if we're scalping, stay on the 1 minute, but I'm looking at the 2 minute on SPY 2 and it can't break the 200. Do we consider that?
You can, but if you start bouncing around the time frames too much, it's not going to do you a whole lot of good, right? So you're better
Just for
off.
like,
Yeah, you're better off. The move is once you're into a good trade, right? Let's say you get into a good trade. Now here we go, looking at shorting this. Waiting to see though if this holds below this 21 in VWAP. If you get into a good trade, then you can flip to a higher time frame. And
Okay.
that way it'll kind of calm you down. But if you're in the 1 minute, just stay in the 1 minute.
Okay, cool.
Yep. Yeah, because there's going to be all sorts of stuff. Think about it. Oh, man, now I'm in the 5. Well, now I got some. Now I'm in the 10. Oh, I got something here. Now I'm in the 15. It's you're going to bounce around, right? Time frames 26 times in a trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I know.
Yep. Get in the 1, stay in the 1. After you're in the 1 and it's beautiful and it's going in your way, then and only then flip to a 2, 5, 15, whatever calms you down, right?
Yeah. See, on that trade, I really wanted to go short, but with all the training and support and resistance, I'm like, there's so much support there.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
I'm terrible at breaking holds.
Yep.
So I just sat. I didn't do anything.
Yep. The better trade is the bounce off of VWAP again, right?
Yeah.
Because VWAP is the strongest level of support because it was underneath it, right?
Exactly.
Tesla new high, coach.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Which also means, is it in a 2 minute EWO at any point? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah. Since the open.
And look at that support at 440. Bounced up it nicely and then kept going. Watching 445.
Yeah, that's nice. Coming up to this micro double top here on SPY. Around 684. See it up there? And I've also got a key level at 684.20, so we'll be watching that. But do you see how it came right back down again? SPY came right back down to VWAP and bounced again, right? So it hit it, bounced up, hit it, bounced up. Support. It's a good thing we just had that training before I went live, right? We just did that, didn't we?
We did.
We did, boss.
Yep.
We did. Thank you.
Little refresher. There's your double top, right? Your little micro double top pullback. The reason I say micro is because we're just inside of what's here. If it had been like a previous day high, that would have been a beautiful, right, double top. But this is a micro double top, so we watch this area for a pullback all within this open. And did everybody see where it pulled back right here where we just announced the double top, right?
Yep.
Sitting back on the 200, the 9, and the 21 again, right here. Same spot. It's touched VWAP twice and bounced to the upside. You can see all of this is just consolidating sideways. We have not gotten a breakout. And notice, we're all dancing around VWAP. And I always tell you, right, be very careful around VWAP.
Most dangerous spot, Danielson.
That's right.
I have a ceiling above SPY's 200 at 684.25, just for FYI.
Yep, and I've got it marked at 21, so we're right there. And that was just me doing that real quick assessment this morning with everybody, right?
He's probably going to beat me by 4 cents. Damn it.
I doubt it. I did it real quick. What do I know? We'll see if they'll pop up here.
Very good fighter you are, Danielson.
Yes, getting it done.
That's Mr. Miyota.
Yep. Sound like Yoda.
You liked it.
It sound like
It
Yoda.
was much more like Yoda.
Yeah, that was Yoda.
It's Mr. Miyagi and Yoda mixed together.
Oh, very
Come on,
nice.
guys.
Oh, okay. All right.
This is why you don't do drugs, kid.
Yeah. It's a good little mesh. Okay. All right. I feel you.
Put them together.
Yeah. That's nice. Nice.
Hit that 684.25 and pull back. Let's hold above the 200. Let's get it hold above the 200 now.
Yep. I'd like to see that break and hold above 684.20-ish. I'm waiting to see if it's going to do that.
Anybody that's trading IWM, don't be getting cut by death 5,000 cuts right now. Just watch it. Watch the trade. It's not giving you anything.
Tesla's still climbing. I see Apple trying to make its way back up again. It hit VWAP, probably scared the crap out of most people trading it. Right? I don't know what to do. Yeah, you do. It's in your training. Yeah, you do. But I couldn't take it. Well, then why are you trading with real money? I don't know. Check your journal.
684.20.
That's right. Check your journal. But I don't journal every day. Well, then you ain't doing anything correctly. Not following my strategy. Yeah, you're not following my strategy. You're not following the rules. I don't know why I'm not successful. Oh, run into the wall. That's what we need to do. We need to buy and sell ADT walls that people can purchase for your home.
I didn't think you were going to go there.
Yep, and you can just run into it. Okay? That way you don't damage your own surface areas at home, right?
It never broke and held below VWAP. I'm good.
Nope. Therefore, the strategy says to ride it out and stop being a little baby, right?
That's right.
Yep. I think my strategy says don't be a little much is what I think it says, but I don't know if that correct verbiage is in there.
Hit the tip jar. You're not slick.
I think we need to jump to
I heard
conclusions,
it.
Matt.
I don't think adding the M in there is going to cover it up.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. That's all right. Think about it. The country folk in here didn't even know what I just said. You know what I'm saying? So we're all right. Half the crew knows what I said and half doesn't. So that means, does that
I
mean,
know what you said.
does
I'm
that
in
mean
touch
we
with
only
it.
got to put in half the amount in the bucket?
No. No.
Damn it. Damn it.
That's why you put me in charge of the tip jar.
Yeah, that's
I got
true.
you.
That's true. There we go.
That
Get a nice-
WM above VWAP.
Yep. I'll take another hundy if it wants to give me it. Fine. Still climbing over here on SPY.
For saying Mitch.
What's that?
You have to put money in the tip jar for saying Mitch.
See, Don, Don, didn't I say that?
That's a good old country name. Is all I knew.
Yep.
He didn't
Thank
hear
you.
that extra syllable up in there.
Thank you. I appreciate
Mitch
you.
is all I heard.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Oh, by the way, Legal just sent me a message. They said if you guys run into a brick wall, it has to be foam. It can't be an actual brick wall. It will not be liable for any damage that you may take by running into the brick wall because you don't listen to nothing. Okay. Thank you, Legal. They're no fun. Accounting and legal, they're both boring. I guess that's what keeps the lights on, though. Trying to keep the old man honest, right? Don't want anybody to get hurt. Ooh, by running into the ADT wall.
And here for a second, I thought it was a cocaine brick, but okay, never
Nope,
mind.
nope. Say no to drugs, kids. We're saying no to
Oh my
drugs.
Straight from the 80s.
So before
Always
we
doing
get
lines,
flagged
talking about
live,
brick.
before we
I
get
know.
flagged live, we're just telling the kids to say no. All right, there we go. Thanks, Richard.
Oops.
Damn, you mean we couldn't take that and run with it, huh?
Yeah, I can't wait to see what kind of flag we're gonna get on that one. First, he said to run into a wall and do a bunch of blow.
Don't be a Richard.
Oh boy. Yeah, boy. Goodness gracious. SPY still respecting the 9, still climbing to the upside. Broke above our 684.20. That's good. That's nice, right?
Yeah.
At least I won't damage another credit card. That's good.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh boy. Kids, don't listen to anything that comes out of Richard's mouth. Goodness gracious. Scarface. We're going to change his name to Scarface over here. Richard's like, the world is my oyster.
Oh man. You people are bad influences.
I know it. Oh, there we go. That's better. That's a nice pop. How we doing on SPY over here, gang? You hanging in there? Huh?
I'm still in it, coach.
Good deal. How many of you are in it off the bounce, the first one or second one off of VWAP?
I am, coach.
That is the trade, right? That's the beautiful trade, right? That's nice. Going small, right? Let it run. Let it work. Think about it. We had VWAP there, which means you had your stop underneath it. Anything above it is bullish. Then we broke through, right? We went from red to green. We broke through it. We stayed high. Then we got above Richard. Then we stayed above 684.21. You guys see the way I caught that? Squirrel. All right. Okay.
I was there with you.
Now, Apple touched that 279.71 that I talked about earlier again this morning. Remember that 279.71 was previous day high. This is where I had it marked. Do you see it? And look at the pullback from that.
I see it, boss.
Yeah, it's a major area. Look at this dump on SPY. All right. Okay. Look at Apple. Apple's dumping out. Apple now below VWAP. Bye-bye.
Tesla's still climbing, coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you. SPY right here, new candle now. Want to see if this bounces. The 684.20 was a major area from before, remember?
Shift change 2 minutes.
Thank you. There it goes. Got a nice little pop off that. There we go. Boom, I'll take it. By the way, that was me trading off that stalled out candle, right? When I saw right here, see these two candles? As soon as I saw it stall out, I was looking for a half candle retracement. Right there's your half candle retracement. That's where I took that scalp. See it?
I do.
Very nice.
Yes, yes. Little dabble do you, right? It's not a ton of money, but imagine if I would have bought 1,000 SPX contracts, right? That's a $20,000 move off a half candle.
Please be aware 10
maybe
o'clock
more.
JOLTS numbers come out.
You guys all hear that? 45 seconds to shift change in volume. $30 seconds. 30 seconds. $15 seconds. Look at this. SPY getting ready to break new high over here. 3, 2, 1, volume. Look at the candle dance now. Make sure you guys have your stops. Be a little more volatile right here. Now, if you look at this, this is showing us the 684.50 is the top of this channel. Does everybody see it on my screen? This right here, this is the very top. This is what it's fighting, is that 684.50. Looking now for a break of 684.50 to the upside. Took that quick short. Did you guys see that up there? Just like that. Bang.
Hey, Coach, the forecast was for 7.2 million, and they come in at 7.6 million for the JOLTS numbers.
Okay, thank you.
Good news, yeah.
Yeah, it means sales are up, right? I see Redbook retail sales index is up plus 5.7% year over year. Jobs, Jolt's job openings 7.67 million. Thank you, Michael. Michael's always got such good posts in there, don't he? You guys see him posting in our Zoom?
Yeah,
yes,
buddy.
he's phenomenal.
Yes, sir.
He's the man.
So retail sales up.
It's good news for the economy, but it's questionable how the Fed will interpret it tomorrow.
Yeah, who knows? Just fire his ass.
Right,
Get
that's
him
so
out of
true.
here. What a turd. We shouldn't even be having these discussions. That thing should have already been decreased 4 times this year. Quarter basis points 4 times this year, right? Come on. Oh.
Well, Coach, I think you bring up a great point that we don't call people turd enough. That is a good one. Bring that back.
We don't call people turds enough. I love it. There's a nice pop. Did anybody get on this one? That's nice. There's 300, 360. Nice.
That just broke pre-market high, Coach.
Yeah, it did. And it just took off with it, didn't it? Glorious. Moving my stop up. Boom, I'll take it. 350. Now, what I was doing, in case you guys were wondering why I attacked that, as soon as I saw it break that 684.50, that's when I hammered it. Remember me talking about that top?
I do.
Yep.
I was in it with you.
Yep, very nice.
Thank you.
Yep, it was a beautiful little trade, wasn't it? Now we're looking for a half candle pullback, right? Stalled out on the top. Remember how I always talk about when the candle stalls out? It did not form a new candle and keep climbing. So this is a stalled out candle. Now I'm just waiting for it to come back at least halfway to reset itself. And then I'll long it again if it's going to stay up here. So I'm watching. 1 second, new candle forming now. Stalled out, just longed it. But I've got a tighter stop, as you can see. Normally I go 60 ticks. I went a half.
Coach, wouldn't that pre-market high be like a major level of resistance?
Yes. Yep, absolutely. But I was looking for another quick pop back up to retest that area to see if it wanted to pull back. That's why.
I see.
Stopped out, so didn't like it. But yes, absolutely. That is a major level, right?
It is. I'm too green to do any longs right there until it breaks and holds.
Yep, absolutely. Good call. That's a pre-market high that I didn't even catch. See it at 684. What is that? 684.87. See it?
I see it.
Yeah, that was a double top pre-market high. I missed that damn thing on a double top. I was expecting.
I hit it.
I did not even catch it. I did not have it marked. Don't ask me why. Because I would have called it out. You guys would have heard that right out of my face. Double top, wouldn't you?
Sorry, I should have called it.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah, when you were going long there, I was like, wow, this guy knows what he's doing.
Just going against the grain. He's going against everything he trains. What an a-hole. I'm gonna buy me that wall and run into it. I can tell you that.
What a turd.
Yeah, what a turd. Oh my gosh, look at this. And this thing is a perfect double top pullback too. Yeah, I didn't see it. I didn't see it up there in space. So all I did was I traded that half candle. It stalled. Then I was going to go long to have it retest where it started from up there and then look for new high. But if it hit a double top, what do we already know on a double top, right? Toilet bowl.
Puts.
Yep. Yeah, go James. Thank you. Appreciate you. Get out of here.
Well, the coach says to buy puts on double tops, but the turd says go long.
That's right. Where's Bruno at? Bruno, are you even in here? I don't even hear Bruno anymore. Is he sleeping?
I'm right here,
Oh,
Coach.
he's here. Never mind. He's here, everybody. We're all right. We're okay. We're all right. Everybody be cool. Nothing to see here. All right, 21 right here. And 684.21. Is this the backbone or is this going to come all the way to VWAP? Yeah, I should have looked at my damn trading view indicators. It even said over there, even on my NASDAQ, it was telling me. Hit previous day close over there.
I'm mad too because I did the same thing you did, Coach.
Yep, that was not good. One little lapse and wah, 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 wah. Oh, Apple double bottom right here. That's why it's fighting that spot. Everybody see it? Okay, great. Okay, great. How we doing, Apple? Did anybody make any money on Apple yet today? Apple, 2-minute EWO riders, you guys all right?
Yep.
Doing
Yes,
good.
sir. About
Yes.
a 30% run on the way to the upside.
Good job. Over there with David's tutelage, you guys should all be fine, right? Okay, great. Glad we're all on the same page. Got to get these YouTube numbers back up. Where are we at, everybody on YouTube? Click that share button. We've only got 70 people watching on YouTube. That is not normal for me. That is low. It's about halfsies. Where's all my peoples at over on the YouTubes? Huh?
We're here, Coach.
Thank you.
Shared it with X, Facebook. Come on, everybody, hit that share button.
Hit that share button.
It
All
costs you nothing. Share it out.
That's right.
Let people know.
Here we go. Coming back all the way back down to VWAP. 30 cents off. I'm going to long it here. Nice. Already green. Nice. Nice. Is it 150? Bingo, bango, bingo, bango, bingo, bango, bingo! Thank you. Damn, got the money train out for that one. You guys hear that? Goodness gracious. Nice. Everybody look to the sky. That's nice. Nice, nice. Anybody make any money off that VWAP bounce?
I did.
Still making money off that bounce.
Good. Good job. Good job. Isn't it funny, just those little tiny areas, as long as you know what you're looking for, how much money you can make off of just little baby areas. You could make 3 trades today, right? A little heavier, and walk away $1,000. You'd be done. Am I right? Done. It's glorious. Glorious. Brian University. Talk to me, Brian. Haven't seen you in a while. That was my fault for not being here. Hopefully you've been doing well. Cannot wait for your multi-part questions. Go ahead.
Welcome back, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Why do you watch Q but call out SPY?
Why do I watch what? I'm sorry?
Why do you watch NASDAQ but then call out SPY?
Oh, it's because I'm trading futures, partner. I'm not trading stocks or options. Great question. Brian, you know how long I've been trading futures live in front of all of you?
Over a year.
That is correct. Do you know when the last time is that I traded stocks or options in front of everybody? Over a year. You guys don't know it because I'm calling out every exact moment for SPY, right? Because this is for stocks and options. Oh,
You froze again, Coach.
I got you. Thank you. I don't know what's up with this camera. Camera number one, I'm going to throw you in the freaking trash. I'm going to run you into that.
For stocks for you.
Just because I was trying to build up the platform and then I kind of stayed in it. I've been trying to build that futures program so that somebody will hang out with Mark for over a year and a half now, right? And if you guys see me trading it, notice some of you went, oh, I'd like to trade that too. Am I right? And then, boom, now you guys are doing futures, right? It's kind of subliminal. Coach kind of knows what he's doing all the time, even though I don't say it. You freaking cameras suck.
What's the pros and cons?
Hold on. All right, there it goes. I think we're up.
Throw the camera into a foam wall because then it'll be cheaper when we buy it from you.
Right?
It'll be
Okay.
on sale soon.
There it goes. It's tracking me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Pros and cons. Cons are if you don't know what you're doing, you lose all your money. Pros are it's any money you make, you can reuse same day. There's no waiting period. There you go. How's that for? Is that a good pros and cons list?
That was awesome.
Right to the point.
Done, right? Done. Don't forget, this is how Mark was able to turn a $700 account into a multi-million-dollar account, right? You guys would crap an egg roll if you knew how much it was now. And nobody yell it out if you know, because he posts stuff all the time. If you guys knew, I'm serious. If you guys knew how much now, you would freak out. I get the updates. His $700, what it is now, you would crap all over your desk right now as if you ate nothing but Taco Bell for a month straight.
Richard would like that. Be here all night, folks.
Yeah. Thank you. Don't forget to tip your moderators.
6 o'clock show is completely different than the 7 o'clock.
Yeah. I see. I see my jokes are really hitting today. Hold on. Yeah. Real fired up. I got the crowd real fired up. Oh, that's great. That's great. Yeah, but he's absolutely crushing it over there. Last recorded count though that we have on the YouTubes was multi-millions. Am I right? Great.
Just a reminder for today, onboarding 12:30 Eastern. If you're brand new,
Yes.
join for the onboarding
If you've
class.
got questions, we can answer them.
Got questions, we got answers. Yeah, hell, even if you're not new, join the onboarding so you can at least learn where everything is, what to do, what time the events are, right? All the informations. Thank you. Oh, look at this.
Apple broke.
Oh, yep, I see it. Apple breaking that 277.69, that support level, right? Nice. Oh, you guys have been in a 2-minute EWO for a long time, haven't you, to the downside? Nice.
Tesla's still kind of holding.
All right, thank you. So who made money up and then down? Because you've had 2 rides so far for Apple, right?
Yeah.
That's right, Coach.
Up, scalp down.